Welcome. Now it's time to create a rock, paper, and scissors game. So I'm going to create a variable called choices. It's going to be equal to a list of rock, paper, and scissors. I'm going to type computer equals to random. So random dot choice, and it imported the random module. I'm going to pass here choices. Then I'm going to type player equals to input rock, paper, or scissors, question mark, colon. Now I'll go down here and I'll type a print, and I'll type computer print player. So if I run this, we get rock, paper, scissors. Let's put paper, and we have computer, scissors. So the computer one, we have player, paper. Let's put a colon here, run it again. Let's put rock. The computer picked scissors, so we won. Now if I run this, look what happens if I type here let's say book. We get computer, paper, and player, book, and I don't want that, because I want to go up here and I'm gonna type while player to make sure that you can pick only elements from this list. So we can pass only elements in this list. So I'm gonna type if it's not in, if the choices of the player is not in choices, I'm gonna put colon. I will take this line of code and I will paste it here. I'm gonna delete it from here, and let's initialize the player here equals to none. Now if I run this and if I type here book, it asks me to introduce again. Now if I put rock, we get computer, paper, and player, rock. Now let's go down here and let's type if. We're gonna check now for the choices. Player equals computer. So if the player pick the same choice as the computer, colon, I'm gonna take those two, paste it here. I'm gonna go down here, I'll do a print which is gonna say tie. Else if I'm gonna type player equals rock. I'm gonna type if computer equals let's say paper. I'm gonna type here print, but let me take those from here, paste it here, and it's gonna say, because I have rock and the computer picked paper, we're gonna lose. So I'm gonna type you lose, lost. I'm gonna put another if here, if computer equals scissors and the player picked rock. I'm gonna copy this, and it's gonna say if the computer picked rock and if the player picked rock and the computer scissors, I'm gonna say you won. Alright, now let's go to the next else if. So I'm gonna go here, else if player equals paper. I'm gonna type if computer equals rock. I'm gonna copy this and it's gonna say you lost because the player picked paper and the computer picked rock. So it's gonna say you won, actually, not lost. So you won. Next, I'm gonna add another if here. If computer equals scissors colon. I'm gonna copy this and it's gonna say you won. Now if I picked paper and the computer picked scissors, I lost. So I'm gonna type here you lost. Now let's copy this, go down here, not there, so go down here. I'm gonna put this and I'm gonna change this to scissors. And if the computer picks rock, you won. And if the computer picks paper, you won. You won. Alright, so should be you lost here because the player picks scissors. No, not here. So here you won. Here, where is picked rock. Here is you lost. Right. So this is our little game. Okay, now let's add a feature in which the player could play again, and to do that I'm gonna put all of this code inside the while loop. So I'm gonna type while true colon, and now we need to indent everything to be part of the while loop. So I'm gonna put here this and down here I will type play again. It's gonna be equal to input. It's gonna say play again, yes or not. And let's lower this, and I'll type here if play again is not equal to yes, I'm gonna break this loop, and I'm gonna go down here and I'll type print by. Right, so this is our code. Let's run it. So we have rock, paper, scissors. Let's pick rock. And it's asking us, do you want to play again? Let's type yes. And now we can play again. Let's put again rock. So it should be rock, not. And now if I type not, the loop was closed. We have by, process finished, exit code 0. So everything works fine. Alright, this is our little program. This is our little game, and I hope that you enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next video.